God urges you not to overlook this message. Should you harbor love for me, do not bypass this video, for I shall impart a revelation unto you. Stay tuned and witness until the culmination. Today, God implores you to awaken, embrace freedom, and embrace your true self. You are the world's joy, the radiant light amid obscurity, a blessing unto the cosmos. Cherish yourself unconditionally. Release the shackles of the past. Temporal and spatial constraints are mere illusions. Allow the cosmos to be your guiding force. Stay attuned to meaningful coincidences, for nothing is arbitrary in matters of love. There exists no anguish, no disdain, only profound mutual comprehension and boundless acceptance. Upon the righteous path, doors shall effortlessly unfold. You merit the advent of positivity without enduring prior suffering. Type 1111 to affirm your entitlement. God imparts a message to you today. Grant yourself forgiveness for moments when your strength falters and your thoughts may occasionally drift to past adversities. Actively work towards thriving in the present. The future you desire unfolds when you redirect your focus towards possibilities. Commence by acknowledging your blessings, cultivating obsessive gratitude, and recognizing the positive aspects of your life, the swiftest route to manifesting improvement. God reassures that the past no longer holds the power to harm you. Learn from it and release its grip. Today heralds a new beginning. Approach it with an open heart filled with love and gratitude. Type yes if this resonates with you. Today's message emphasizes letting the universe guide you. Stay attuned to meaningful coincidences. Nothing is arbitrary in matters of love. There is no pain or contempt, only profound mutual understanding and unconditional acceptance. On the right path, doors open naturally. You deserve goodness without the prerequisite of suffering. God states that your new life demands letting go of the old one, your comfort zone, sense of direction, relationships, and friendships. It may cost you approval and understanding, but those meant for you will find you on the other side. Build a new comfort zone around what propels you forward. Instead of being liked, be loved. Instead of being understood, be seen. What you lose was constructed for a person you no longer are. God says you don't have to know what's next. Stop overthinking and start being in the moment. There's no rush to have your life figured out. Today, baby steps are still steps, and they're helping you along the way. Don't forget that. Hope you learn to prioritize the people who bring you peace, the people who mirror the same length of love as you give to others, the people who stand by your side, not in every moment, but in the moments that matter the most, the people who matter the most, the people who have the capacity to understand the very depths of your soul. I hope you learn to prioritize the people who choose you. Type 222 to affirm this to yourself. Today's message for you. There is nothing more adventurous and exciting than following your heart. Somehow, we always feel afraid to follow our hearts, but that is always the most fulfilling and rewarding path. Follow your heart. Let the love guide you. Today's message for you. Very good things are happening in your life. You have been focusing more of your energy on positive vibes. Now you are attracting more positive vibes. Every thought matters. Whatever you are putting out into the universe, you will manifest that in return. Keep putting love and good energy into the world. The universe has a special surprise coming your way. Your dedication is attractive. Type 1 love if you trust in God. God is saying to you today, imagine yourself stepping into the light. As you do, you become illuminated in the light. The light flows through you, surrounds you, and expands from you in every direction. Step into the light and set yourself free. Feel the freedom of being in the light. Feel the power of stepping into the light as you illuminate every cell of your body from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet and out your fingertips. The light gets brighter, deeper, fuller, richer. It begins to expand from you in every direction, filling the entire room with light. As you feel it flowing to you and through you in every direction, even more of this intensity and beautiful illumination into the light of all that you are. Expect to rise in luck. There are big changes on the horizon. You are putting past challenges behind you and moving forward into a brighter future. Everything will make sense soon, and you will find yourself in the right place with all the right people. Angelus's message for you tonight. Today, everything is in your power. The powerful energy of the number 222 will guide and empower you with its creative flair. You'll be able to see clearer and overcome obstacles if you decide to take this opportunity to start a new chapter, attract your dreams. Act like someone you've always wanted to become and go for what you deserve. That's where your blessings meet you in your journey. The day you start falling in love with who you truly are and acting towards your dream life. The universe is saying to you today, you don't have to know what's next. Stop overthinking and start being in the moment. There's no rush to have your life figured out. Today, baby steps are still steps, and they're helping you along the way. Don't forget that. You deserve relationships rooted in love, not envy. You deserve friends who want the best for you, even if that means you have to take space from each other. You deserve people who cheer for you wholeheartedly, not just because they think they'll benefit from being close to you. Universe's message for you. When you change, the reality that you begin to experience changes. The blessings coming your way are not random, but gifts from the universe to help you remember that you're always backed and supported. Your efforts aren't going unnoticed. The external reality is mirroring back your inner work. Temp healing because your vibration is high. Envision the highest timelines for yourself because you deserve it all. Receive the divine message. You are being provided with it all. All you have to do is stay aligned. Type, I am playful to affirm. God is saying to you today, expect a rise in luck. Big changes are on the horizon. You are putting past challenges behind you, moving forward into a brighter future. Everything will make sense soon, and you will find yourself in the right place with all the right people. Type, Amen, if you believe this. God continues, today, you are going to make the most amount of money you've ever made this month. Incredible new friends are coming into your life and some of your deepest dreams are becoming a reality. Trust that every person entering your life is part of the divine plan. Smile and give thanks. Prioritize the people who bring you peace, love, and understanding. Type, I am awareness to affirm. Grand. Rise your heed to the sky and thank the universe. Your time in the dark is ending. God reassures, you haven't messed anything up. You haven't taken the wrong path. In times of weariness, gratitude is the best antidote. Faith is how you'll find your way back. You're being prepared for something grand. Raise your head to the sky and thank the universe. Your time in the dark is ending. Embrace a new chapter filled with light, love, and abundance. Type yes to affirm. Angelus adds, very good things are happening in your life. Focusing on positive vibes attracts more positivity. Every thought matters. Keep putting love and good energy into the world. The universe has a special surprise coming your way. Your dedication is attractive. Type 5555 if you believe this. The universe speaks. New opportunities are about to flood into your life, ushering in a chapter of abundance and prosperity for you and your family. Your prayers for support are being answered with divine timing. Center yourself in the present moment. Type, 444 if you love God. Angels assure. Money is flowing to you abundantly from multiple sources. Your mindset is a magnet for good energy. Your positive inner speech has transformed your consciousness. Today's message emphasizes celebrating your wins, attracting abundance by gratitude, and giving thanks to your ancestors. Type 1111 if you believe in God. God reminds, you are God's child. The universe is actively aligning everything you need to accomplish your wildest dreams. Visualize yourself better every day. Trust in the magic working in your favor. Type, I'm God's child to claim it. The universe encourages, celebrate others' wins and you'll win more. Putting out good vibes improves your life. Believe in your abilities. Let go of what doesn't serve your higher purpose. Type 1111 if you believe in God. God conveys, I have been chosen for this. I am well equipped with wisdom, strength, and resources to prevail. Today is a new day, and something incredible is waiting for me on the other side. Surrender, embrace greatness, and everything is falling into place. Type yes to affirm. God advises, remember to smile, embrace the possibilities of today, and be grateful. You don't have to force, fight, or figure out your entire life plan at once. Trust the timing of how it all unfolds. Type yes if you believe today's message. Today's message for me is a declaration of my desire for financial prosperity. In this vast and wonderful world, financial abundance opens doors to countless opportunities. Recognizing the power of the law of attraction, I consciously focus on the abundance that is possible. I understand that over time, my thoughts of prosperity will align with the flow of financial abundance, as the law of attraction responds to my predominant focus. I choose abundance. Type Amen if you agree. God's message advises me to approach this with ease and playfulness, avoiding excessive effort. The dominant intent should be to feel good, and if that's not the case, the focus should shift to relief. Feeling my way through rather than overthinking allows me to stay connected to my core energy, attracting only positivity. Type 1111 if you believe in this. God reassures that the universe is tirelessly working to manifest my prayers, even if the results don't arrive in the expected way or time. Acknowledging that challenges and trials are avenues for growth, I am encouraged to be open to all forms of healing and blessings. The ultimate goal is inner peace, eliminating toxic elements and unlearning harmful practices. Creating a nurturing space for growth allows me to generate loving energy for myself and others. Acknowledging both the parts I am improving and those I wouldn't change, I stand proudly deserving of everything I am going for. The universe signals the emergence of something new in my life, igniting a creative spark and pushing me towards a new beginning. Hidden treasures within me are discovered, and a sense of balance and confidence propels me to overcome challenges with courage. New connections and a renewed sense of self are on the horizon. To affirm this transformative journey, I declare, I am awareness. God's message emphasizes the importance of doing what brings me joy and focusing on joyful things. In the state of pure joy, I allow and receive on a quantum level. Type, I love God, if you trust in God's affirmations for life. No matter how discouraged I may get, I trust that better experiences are unfolding. Recognizing that occasional relaxation helps regain energy and perspective, I affirm my trust in the unfolding of positive experiences. In conclusion, the divine message for you, You are being provided with it all. All you have to do is stay aligned. Type yes if you believe in the miracles awaiting you. Subscribe to our channel for more divine messages. Turn on bell notifications for God's guidance in your life.